Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to edit the captions text size on Facebook using your PC. This is a quick and easy way to customize your viewing experience. Let's dive right in. First, open Facebook on your browser by heading to facebook.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu. Next, from the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. A submenu will appear. Click on Settings. This will take you to Facebook's main settings page. On the left-hand side of the screen, find and click on the Media option. This section is where you can manage how media content is displayed on Facebook. Once inside the media settings, locate the Captions display section. You'll see an option labeled Edit next to it. Click on that. Now, look for the text size option. Here, you can adjust the size of captions according to your preference. Drag the slider or choose from the available options until you find a size that works best for you. Finally, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully customized the captions text size on Facebook using your PC. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Adjusting caption settings can make a big difference in enhancing your video watching experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.